Hello and welcome to What's Bias for this week. And in this particular video, we're going to be exposing our bias for GBPJPY in the coming week of the second week of March 2024. So let's get down to it. You are watching and seeing the weekly charts, weekly time frame for GBPJPY. All right, and this what happened. This is what happened last week. Well, what can you call that? When you look at it pattern wise, you can see that we have a structure forming a lower low and a lower high between last week and the week before it. Okay, but then on the individual price chart basis, candlestick basis, right, you have what seemed like a neutral candle there. Okay, so what should we have as our bias in the coming week? Okay, so let's quickly look at it. One, we are going to be expecting a bearish market for the GBPJPY in the coming week. However, that may not just happen without a pullback or a retracement first, right? That is a retest of, trying to maybe pull up before it drops. Okay, but if it drops first, it might take all that, it might want to shed all the weight it wants to shed first before it now goes back up, whichever way. So just be bearing in mind that the bias looks so very bearish. So we want to quickly go down to the lower time frames. On the daily time frame, okay, we have we have series of lower lows and lower highs happening here. So bearish continuation have been happening all the way from Tuesday to Friday. Okay, on Monday it pushed up, and then more like what they call what's it called now, pump and dump. So it pumped up and then dumped everything plus more. Okay, but then on between Thursday and Friday, price action here actually indicates something that you need to pay attention to, so that as you trade on Monday, you need to pay careful attention to this. It appears what happened on Friday try to maybe communicate that perhaps it might have been a fluke for what happened on Thursday. So carefully trade around here. So, and we are going to be moving all the way, back to the 4 hours before we go to the 1 hour time frame. So on 4 hours, you can see it's still, based on what happened in the week. So it's bearish, right? So, and from what we have here, we can actually just leave off here and go straight to 1 hour and see what we can expect just purely based on the Fibonacci retracements. So as we have here, let me quickly make this to be smaller so I can capture everything. So I put the Fibonacci retracement tool there, and let's see if we can connect this. Okay, now with what we have here, there's a likelihood that price for where it is right now might, still be pulling back, like that is retrace on Monday, considering look at the daily time frame, right? So considering this assumed or presumed fluke that happened here, okay, so we feel that price likely would pull up, go up, right, pump up to 50% retracement based on the drop or the fall from 191.187 that happened, from the 4th, which is on Monday, to the low of Thursday. So based on that, we might, I think, let me adjust this a bit. I think this is the lower here. Okay, so based on that, we might see price retrace to 189.71 or even a bit higher, or you might not get up there. But then this is a place to look forward to begin to make decisions, even though based on the fall from here to here, right, price actually got and tested that 50% retracement and came back here before it started returning up here. So what should we expect on Monday? Most likely price would try to come to still retest this level. It's only when it fails that it will now drop and perhaps beat the 100%, that 188.235 to head towards 161%, which 0.8%, which is around 6.411. But then, so by then, you would have, your eyes would have been clear to really make a clear decision. So that's our decision, and we're not going to be giving any signal with this. So in the course of the week, if we are able to record the signal generation, we'll record it and drop it for you here on this channel. So you want to like, subscribe, and share, so that also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as we drop any signal regarding these instruments. All right, so we want to wish you a very profitable trading week as you trade to win, and God bless you.